How to remove a token from Zengo wallet display. Are guys facing issue to remove a token from Zengo wallet? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's dive into the video. To remove a token from a Zengo wallet display, open the Zengo app and unlock it using a Face ID or PIN. Once you are in, scroll down to Wallet Overview, where all your tokens and coins are listed. Now, just simply tap on the three dot and manage option near the token you want to remove. Then select hide from wallet or remove from display. The exact wording may vary depending on your app version. Confirm your action, and just like that, the token will no longer show in your main wallet section. Important. This doesn't delete the token or your balance, it just simply hides from the wallet display. And that's it guys, that's how we're going to remove a token from Zengo app. I'll catch you in the next one. Bye bye.